Are your feet suffering from cracked heels? Don't worry, we've got you covered. My name is Dr. Wade, and here are 5 genius hacks to heal your feet in no time. Hack number 1, a chemical peel. Do not file your feet, it will get worse. Rather go for a callus remover chemical peel. I recommend the MediHeal Callus Softener. It is an easy, no-fuss treatment that will give you softer feet in no time. Hack number 2, moisturize. Apply a generous amount of foot cream or lotion to your heels every morning and every night. Massage it in, focusing on the rough areas. This will hydrate your skin and prevent further cracking. If you don't like slipping in your shoes after applying cream, opt for the MediHeal Foot Perfector. Hack number 3, pumice stones in the shower. Use a pumice stone or sponge in the shower. Use it with soap and water on alternative days. Hack number 4, sleep with silicone socks. They heal and protect cracked heels. MediHeal has them and sells them with a night balm. Hack number 5, avoid flip-flops. They are the enemy and will always dry out your heels. Try these hacks and say goodbye to cracked heels for good. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing petty tips and tricks. And if you want more information on any of the products I mentioned, go to www.elimspatproducts.com to read more about them. See you next time.